Hello, I'm your teacher, Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's short English lesson. Now, we're going to take a look at the phrase, "What's your nickname?" The grammar of this question is not wrong, but it is not very natural. The reason it's not a good question is because many people do not have nicknames. If you ask a person, "What's your nickname?" you are assuming that they have a nickname. A better way to ask this question is, "Do you have a nickname?" If the person does have a nickname, they will tell you their nickname. If they don't have a nickname, they can simply say, "No, I don't." A very similar question is, "What is your hobby?" Here, again, you are assuming that the person has a hobby. Many people don't have time for a hobby. So, it's better to ask the question, "Do you have a hobby?" Or, "What do you do in your free time?" Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to help us, please go to our Patreon page and become a supporter. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.